da da. Don't get me wrong, I love who I am. I don't want to be ingrained. Probably sounds strange. But with all the fame. Stop! But they see that underneath. I'm just an ordinary girl.
Sometimes I'm crazy, I get bored. I feel scared, I feel ignored. I feel happy, I feel silly.
I chose. And I still want to believe anything can happen in this world. Like you, like me, an ordinary girl. How are you? Hello, goodbye. Happy letter, I was on the road. Boy, try to get on with the show. How do you have a magazine? Ordinary girl, sometimes I'm lazy, I get bored, I feel scared, I feel ignored, I make wishes, I have dreams, and I still want to believe anything can happen in this world.
Actually,
So give it everyone, nothing at all. When you stumble or fall, a little love can go a long way. Worry about what people say.
Ready?
For an ordinary girl. Sometimes I'm lazy, I get bored, I get scared, I feel ignored, feel happy, I just choke on my own words, I make wishes, I have dreams.
You guys actually.
To believe anything can happen in this world. An ordinary girl like you. Can we go here?
No, come on.
Come on.
I got snapped by a towel from his hat.
Now the song's over. Wait, I'll start it over.
Finish myself.